Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make your phone number hidden when you're calling someone on Android mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to open your phone application on your Android mobile phone and you have to go to the setting, click on these three dots on the top right and you can go to settings. Okay, and then here you need to choose the supplementary services. This one, just click on this option and you can choose the SIM card you want to hide your phone number on. Here I have dual SIM cards, so I'm going to choose one of them. I have SIM 1 and SIM 2, and for example I'm going to hide my phone number of my SIM 1, so I'm going to select this, show your caller ID, and if we want to make our phone number private or hidden when we're calling someone on Android mobile phone, we can select never. And after that, your phone number will be hidden. Alright guys, and that's how we can make our phone number hidden when we're calling someone on Android mobile phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.